My name's Parlette. I'm a sculptor. I work in wood, metal, and stone. When I came up with the idea for Epicenter, the design of the piece is meant to mirror the experiences I've had out in the water. It has, for me, been such a transformative, magical part of my life. I really wanted to create an ecosystem and an experience so people can stand in the middle of that vortex of life and feel like they're part of it. I work a lot with blacksmithing techniques and metal fabrication. For this particular piece, it's all different metals. It's all hammered and welded and forged to be able to get all these different elements. One of the biggest challenges making Epicenter was the base, which is an abstract design, and then had to shape in all these crazy compound curves to be able to put the skin on it. There were definitely some moments of despair in there where I was not sure that I'd be able to pull it off. It really pushed me in a lot of ways to extend what I thought I was capable of doing. There's quite a few different species that I've sculpted into it. I think those layers of life and the diversity that you see out off of our coastline is what I wanted to bring into Epicenter. I grew up here in Southern California. I was a lifeguard for over 2 decades, did a few years of commercial dive work. One of my biggest joys in life has been sharing nature and the ocean with my sons, Brooks and Koa. Showing them the tide pools and getting them out in the water and to have them experience the sculpture and then see them out in nature and seeing all these different elements. It's been such a great experience for me as a dad. I designed Epicenter as a piece that would travel to different places. Sculpture is a very interactive medium. It's very durable. It's meant to be touched. It's meant to be interacted with. For it to be able to inspire people to want to learn more about what's out there and to maybe develop a love for the ocean, I think that would be a wonderful thing. And I think that that's the story that Epicenter is meant to tell.